So we're at Dino's Get Down and at the SLOSH Tubz. So thought I'd just shoot a little video showing their displays, products that they make. You probably follow them on Instagram, and they have quite a variety. Here you can see the firewalls, and they got them on display over there, so I'll show you that in a moment. But just amazing quality and fit and finish. I was talking to a guy yesterday, and he's used plenty of their products, and he said they fit right the first time. So just wanted to take a minute to just shoot. Here's their booth. And these are speaker setup that goes behind the bench seat in your truck. Sub boxes. And here's the firewall setup, and they've got it all listed by year. $125 panel set, show special. Not sure what they cost normal pricing. So 60 through 66, that's what I was looking for out of curiosity. 60 through 66. Just a beautiful truck. I did want to show you the tubs in this one. Look at that.
When I bought this house, it's got no bars completely
And then they also have the buddy bucket seat, something that I think they started recently. You can buy just the seat like you see here, or you can, maybe you can, I don't know, but I don't know if you can buy it already set up that way or not. Some of their t-shirts they're selling as well. Thank you.